In my whole 8 years, I've never seen this type before. It was really bad yesterday. This is Fargo, North Dakota, here in the United States. The snow was really bad yesterday. Look at that. This is the walkway to the house, to my apartment. Everywhere was covered with snow. Everywhere. You see this pathway here, just a good Samaritan that made this way. It wasn't like this yesterday. You had to virtually swim. I virtually swim inside the snow to get into the apartment. It was up to my waist yesterday. We had over 10 inches. Look at that. A pillar of snow. When I parked my car in the garage, just to walk from the garage inside was really, it was the biggest challenge ever. In my whole 8 years of staying in this state, I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen anything like this. It was really bad. Very, very bad. But you know what? If you're out there and you have one challenge or the other, know that you're not alone. We are facing ours here and we are taking it a day at a time. So you don't need to give up about life. Yours may not be snow, it may be hunger, it may be insecurities here and there. But you know what? Take a day at a time and you will overcome. Can you see this kind of snow? My whole 8 years in Fargo, I've never seen anything like this. This part I'm walking gently like this wasn't like that yesterday. The whole snow, it was up to my waist. I've swam. Look at this, is somebody's door. The person can't get to the door. They have to find another way because the whole place, they are snowed in virtually. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the pathway this person had to make to their own house. This is the pathway to their house. It was all covered. Look at that. I'm going to go the other way around to show you how bad it was. But you know what? Like I said, don't give up. I'm not showing you this to scare you. I'm just trying to show you all over the world. People are going through all kinds of challenges. But you know what? You just have to hang in there and believe for the best. Yeah, the apartment had to clean, at least to make a way for cars to drive through. That's how come I could walk. Yesterday, you couldn't just walk like this. It was like 10 inches where I'm standing. You can't walk like this yesterday. Even cars couldn't drive through. Look at that. The whole roads are covered with snow. They had to clean this place this morning just for cars to be able to get out of their garages. Even as I speak, it's still pouring a little bit. Yeah. I'm trying to even close my eyes. Let me try to see if I can turn the camera for you to see me. Yeah. Yeah, it's really challenging to walk through this kind of, it's very cold. Right now as I speak, it's about -2. Yep. Very, very cold. But I'm doing this just to encourage somebody out there. Whatever challenges, whatever part of the world you are, you don't give up. You don't give up. You just trust, in God, and just look at snow. This place was covered. Just clean it up to look at how high the snow is. Look at everywhere. This is Fargo in North Dakota, here in the United States. Yeah, it's very cold here during the winter, but as I said, we've not seen this type in the whole 8 years I've lived here. I've not seen this kind of snow in just one day. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. High pillars of snow. Some cars were kind of snowed in. Yeah. Look at how high this one is. Yep. Yep. So be encouraged, whatever challenges you're facing there. If you're snowed in, if the sun is just too hot where you are, just find a way around it. Stop complaining. Just find a way around it. You can make it. If you can make it through this kind of snow, you too can through any kind of challenges. Just believe for the best. Okay, I just stopped by to show you guys this. Love you guys and hang in there. Don't giving up is not an option. Take care. Bye.